welcome back to my channel. I am Nidhi Arundole and as you might have already guessed it, I am back with another Savannah haul. आज मैं बताने वाली हूँ मैं सवाना से इतनी obsessed क्यों and it's not my fault. It's not my fault कि हर holiday season पे सवाना 80% off दे देता है सब चीज़ पे. So you know girl math, the more the discount, the more you shop. Because who wouldn't want products at 80% off? तो मैं थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग कर ली. Because festive season guys, you have to shop during the festive season. And मैंने 12,000 की शॉपिंग की है, so आज का वीडियो एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है. That's it for the intro. I'm not gonna make you wait any longer. Let's dive straight into the haul. If you watched my previous videos, you'll know that मैं jeans का collection बना रही हूँ हर एक shade में. And the only shade that was missing is this. And I want to take a moment to appreciate this color because मैंने बहुत सारे celebrities पे भी ये color देखा है and it looks so rich, it looks too good. And जब मुझे ये सवाना पे दिखा, I was like ये तो मैं सबसे पहले ले रही हूँ. And what I like about this jeans is that it's very lightweight. So when you compare to jeans from Levi's or Zara or Freakins, this has a thinner material. And I personally like it because it doesn't feel heavy on you. So when you're moving around, it doesn't hold you back. And this is super high waist. So all you high waist jean girlies are gonna love this. इसका fitting भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Material थोड़ा सा slightly stretchy है. And my love for wide leg jeans. तो मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगा and it's good for casual wear, office हो या college हो. This is like a must have in the wardrobe. Recently realized कि मेरे पास pink कुछ नहीं है and I wanted to shop for office outfits, so I thought why not get a pink shirt. मैं पिंक कभी खरीदती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि पिंक मुझ पर सूट नहीं करता है बट मुझे ये काफ़ी क्यूट लगा. आई स्टिल डोंट नो इफ इट सूट्स मी और नॉट बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट इट. तो मैंने पिंटरेस्ट पे ना बहुत सारे ऑफिस आउटफिट्स का एक बोर्ड बनाया है एंड आई सीन अ लॉट ऑफ ओवरसाइज्ड शर्ट फिट्स ओवर देयर एंड मुझे ये काफ़ी क्लासी एंड बॉस गर्ल वाइब लगा एंड सवाना के प्रोडक्ट इमेजेस में काफ़ी डिसेंटली ओवरसाइज्ड फिट लगा सो आई वेंट फॉर इट. मैंने ये नोटिस नहीं किया था कि इट्स अ स्ट्राइप्ड शर्ट. आई डोंट नो इफ इमेज में नहीं था मैंने देखा नहीं बट फॉर मी इट्स अ स्ट्राइप्ड शर्ट. Shirts have always been versatile for me. You can wear it in numerous ways and in numerous styles and you can come up with an unique look each time. If you guys want, I can make a separate video on this and you can learn how to style your shirt in different ways. But anyway, what I meant to say is that आप इसको कैजुअल भी ड्रेस कर सकते हो, बिजनेस कैजुअल भी ड्रेस कर सकते हो, फॉर्मल भी ड्रेस कर सकते हो. आपको जैसे चाहिए वैसे आप पहन सकते हो. सवाना पे और बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है शर्ट्स के विद डिफरेंट कलर्स सो यू कैन पिक व्हाट सूट्स यू. I really like the fact that it's oversized because I don't like this snug fit. It's really very plain and boring for me. So yeah, if you're looking for a shirt, especially an oversized shirt, Savannah has a lot of options. You can just check them out. So I live in Bengaluru and the weather over there is mostly cool, if not cold. And even if it's hot, the temperature in my office is way too low. So I decided to get a sweatshirt. Again, sweatshirts भी ऐसी चीज़ है जो मुझे oversized पसंद है. And this is an oversized sweatshirt. I bought it my size, but if you want it more oversized, you can definitely go for a size up. I was not looking for something to wear in a very cold climate like Himachal, but just enough to keep me normal, but just enough to keep me from shivering in the cold temperatures. Sweatshirts tend to keep you very warm and you cannot wear it unless it's very cold outside. But I feel this is perfect when it comes to an everyday wear in a cool climate. And this is a relatively thin material so you won't feel very hot inside. If you live in a place where it's cool and not cold and are looking for something to wear without feeling hot, then this is it. And इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस है. I plan to get at least 2 more in different colors. It's comfortable and it serves the purpose and it looks damn good, so you can blindly go for it. Next one that I have is a cord set. Satin set in like a star green color. I don't like the combination of the shirt and the skirt together, but I mainly bought this because I like the skirt separately and the shirt separately. So I can mix and match and wear it how I like it, but not these two together. स्कर्ट का लुक मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा ऑल्दो ये थोड़ा सा लूज है मेरे लिए बट सारे स्कर्ट्स गिव यू अ वेरी एलिगेंट एंड ग्रेसफुल लुक. पार्टीज या डिनर डेट्स में शायद पहनूंगी मैं. इट्स ऑब्वियसली नॉट स्ट्रेचेबल सो इट कम्स विद अ जिपर ऑन द साइड. I'm not so fond of the fitting of the shirt, although ये भी oversized ही है but because it's satin finish तो थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लुक आ रहा है. It's falling very weirdly on my body. Not a big fan of this one. Although I would like to make it work, but if it doesn't, then I'll have to figure some way out. These two pieces together is a no-no for me, but overall, I'm not so happy with it. पता नहीं मुझे क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं साथ में पहनूंगी तो मैं बहुत जोकर लगूंगी. Alright, coming to my absolute favorite from this horse, this beautiful dress. मैंने पहली बार देखा था सवाना पे, I had really high expectations and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. It looks exactly how it looks in the picture. In fact, it looks even better in person. इसके details इतने सुंदर है. They have these 3 bows on the side and bows के just नीचे एक slit है. जो it will come on your left thigh and it's so cute. Let me tell you. And look at the fabric. It really gives old money vibes. इसका material बिल्कुल भी stretchable नहीं है, so please order according to your size. Although they have this zipper, I don't know if you can see this. They have this zipper that runs down till here, so you can fit yourself properly. But somehow I don't really like these kind of zippers. It makes it very difficult to pull it up or down while you're wearing it. If there's someone helping you out, it's a different thing, but you doing it yourself, it's a task. Anyway, my obsession over this dress is not going to stop anytime soon. There's nothing that you will dislike in this dress. Everything from the color to the material to the fit, you are going to absolutely love it. Trust me on this, you can blindly go for this. I feel like my choices are getting better each day. What do you guys think? You know, when I shop on Savannah, I always talk upon things that I've wanted for a long time. And one of these things is a blazer. मुझे ना blazer पे 4-5 हज़ार spend करने में मौत आ जाती है. Unless you're like a working professional who regularly wears blazers as a part of their job, it then makes sense to spend this much on blazers. But for me, who would like to wear blazers as a fashion statement, that amount is a lot. So when I saw this blazer on Savannah for a very cheap rate, I couldn't resist. I didn't know how it would turn out to be, whether it would fit me, whether the color or the quality would be great, but I just still went for it. And I would like to say I'm really happy about it. It is really good if you want to style it as a fashion accessory. Again, I have 2 fitted blazers, but they're way too formal to be wearing on a random day. But this is perfect if you're looking for a casual or semi-formal look. तुम dress के ऊपर पहन सकते हो, jeans and top के ऊपर पहन सकते हो, किसी shirt के ऊपर पहन सकते हो, without looking too serious and formal. This looks very classy. And anyway, winter आ रहा है. Winter में instead of just wearing sweatshirts or hoodies or other jackets, you can try wearing a blazer for a change. एंड ये भी इतना लाइट वेट है कि यू वुडंट फील इट वेइंग यू डाउन. अदरवाइज जनरली ब्लेजर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि आफ्टर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू फील लाइक यू नो टेकिंग इट ऑफ कि यार बहुत हो गया. बट दिस इज नॉट लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एडिशंस टू द क्लोसेट. I have one more dress left to show you, but before I show you that, I want to show you this bag. मेरे almost हर एक haul video में कम से कम एक bag तो होता ही है. And the bag of the video is this. It's a beige colored bag. काफी cute सा है. It's kind of like a suede material, so I'm scared that it will stain. ये जल्दी गंदा हो सकता है. So I think you'll have to maintain it very well. If you're clumsy like me or are prone to falling or dropping things, then please be careful. इसमें adjustable belt भी है, so if you just remove this, so it becomes longer. But overall shape अगर देखा जाए तो it does not hold the shape. एकदम ऐसा दबा हुआ आया मुझे, so maybe that's why it's like this. But it has enough space to hold your essentials like phone, keys, wallet, makeup like lipstick, lip gloss and other things. This again comes in multiple colors, so if you're going for the lighter shades, make sure that you know how to maintain suede, because once this gets dirty, I think you'll have a tough time removing the stains. Coming to the last piece of the haul, ये मैंने इसलिए खरीदा था because हम गोवा का प्लान कर रहे थे. So I wanted something beachy, flowy and lightweight and light in color, and this fit that idea perfectly. तो मैंने बहुत लेट किया ऑर्डर करने में, so जब तक वो पार्सल आया मेरा गोवा ट्रिप ऑलरेडी खत्म हो चुका था. But I'm still keeping it so that the next time I plan a beach vacation, I have one less dress to shop. So it's a maxi dress and ये stars से ही पता चल रहा होगा ये काफ़ी beach vibes दे रहा है. It's a backless dress and you need to tie these around your neck. सबसे पहली नज़र में मुझे लगा ये नीचे का पूरा sheer है, and I panicked because why? Then मैंने नीचे देखा तो it has these shorts. I don't know if you can see this, but this is attached to the top, so it's actually like a romper or a jumpsuit, you might say. And it's good because when you're going to a beachy area which is already hot and humid, you would want to wear shorts and something that is flowy, something that will not make you uncomfortable. इसका मटेरियल काफ़ी स्ट्रेचेबल है, सो आई डोंट थिंक फिटिंग वाइज एज सच कुछ इशू आएगा. एंड वन थिंग दैट आई रियलाइज इज दीज आर सिक्योर्ड विद अ पिन. I don't know if you can see it, but if you don't want it, you can always remove it. And you can convert this from a beach dress to a regular dress. I really wanted to wear it to Goa because imagine during sunset you're standing in front of the beach and flash photos खींच रहे हो, कितना सुंदर आता. Very surreal, especially like the Gemini trends that were going on of the beach. You could have that in real life. Anyway, I'm saving it for the next time I go on a beach vacay, and I'm definitely wearing this. And if I do go on a beach vacay and you do see me in this dress, don't forget to comment a seashell icon so I know that you've watched this video. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram ID. I post a lot of stuff there too that you might like. Now imagine you getting all these products at 80% off with an additional discount using my coupon code NIDHI13. What are you waiting for? Shop before the sale ends. And that's it for today. We're at the end of the haul. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon. Bye bye.